boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. I hope all of you enjoyed your 3-day weekend and we're celebrating Memorial Day yesterday. So today we are going to work on math. Our target skill is, today I can remember the value of coins and start to add them together to make change. So that's right, our math skill now is counting money. Here we have the 4 coins that we're going to focus on today. What is this coin called, boys and girls? Yes, it's a penny. And how much is it worth? Shout it out. Yes, 1 cent. Now be careful. Some children get these 2 coins mixed up. But what is this coin called? Yes, it's called a nickel. If you look over here, how much is a nickel worth? Yes, it is worth 5 cents. So if this coin is a nickel, then this coin is a dime. Very good. And it is worth how much? Yes, 10 cents. And the big guy over here is a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? It's 1/4. When we talked about fractions, you can call 1/4 fraction 1/4. And it's worth 25 cents. 1/4 of a dollar. This is a video and it has a money song that you are going to be able to enjoy when you go through the Nearpod. The volume does not work if I were to play it right now, so you'll have to come back through the Nearpod to enjoy it. This right here, yes, time to climb. You're going to work on what each coin is worth, how much it is worth. So go right ahead when you come back to Nearpod. Yes, Number Rock. Now this video is going to introduce you to counting money. So make sure you listen to it when you come back through. Our first problem that we are going to work on is there are 5 nickels and 12 pennies. So let me get the nickels out. We have 5 nickels and 12 pennies. In just a minute, I am going to go to whole screen and move the screen down so that you can see my paper. And boys and girls, practice counting money at home. And you can use real money. Use the coins. Count your parents' change. So I am going to move this right down. And there we go. There is the money. Oh, so it said we had 5 nickels. How much is a nickel worth again? That's right, 5 cents. These coins are called, that's right, pennies. And how much are pennies worth? That's right, 1 cent. We always start with the greatest value coin when counting coins, boys and girls. So let's skip count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then you can go right ahead, count them by 1s, or I put the pennies in a 10 frame. What's 25 plus 10? That's right, 35, 36, 37. So how much money do we have for problem number 1? That's right, we have 37 cents. So if you choose to use the cent sign, this is how you write 37 cents. Or if you want to use the dollar sign, the dollar symbol with the decimal point, this is how you would write 37 cents since there are $0. And that's what that blank means, $0. Use either, that's what or means, or, either or, not both. If you used both of these symbols in your answer, even though the amount is correct, problem would be wrong. You can choose the cent sign or the dollar sign with the decimal. Let's go on to problem 2. So problem 2 says there are 7 nickels this time. And 6 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, there are the 6 pennies. There, you can see it all. What coin do we start counting first, boys and girls? That is right, the nickels, because they are worth more and they are worth, each one is worth how many? That's right, 5. So you are going to skip count by 5s. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now by ones, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So what is the answer again? Shout it out. That's right, it is 41 cents. Again, you're using the cent sign. This is how you write 41 cents, or use one or the other, not both. And this is how you would write it if you're using the dollar sign. Let's go on to problem 3. Problem 3, oh, we're going to switch to dimes now. We have 4 dimes. See, this is a nickel and this is a dime. You can really see the size difference. It's really important to practice counting money at home with real money, because when you go to the store, you'll use real money. And 7 pennies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which coins are we going to start counting first? That's right, the dimes, because the dimes are worth, yes, 10. Ready? Skip count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So what is the answer, boys and girls? That is correct. It is 47 cents. Again, you can write it either way. Let's go on to number 4. Now we're going to add some nickels back in. I have 7 nickels. And 3 dimes. And 9 pennies. So boys and girls, remember, start with the highest value coin. Go ahead and count these coins right now. That's right, we start counting with the highest value, and that is the dimes. So skip count by 10s. Tell me, 10, 20, 30. Then you're going to do the nickels. So we start 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Keep going by 1, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. How much money is there, boys and girls? That is correct, 74 cents. Very good. Let's go on to number 5. Number 5, we have a quarter. We have 1 nickel. We have 2 dimes and 3 pennies. So whenever you have a quarter and there's a nickel, I always put these together because I want to get it to a multiple of 10. I always feel like it's easier to skip count by 10, 20, 30, as opposed to going 25, 35, 45. That always seems a little bit harder. So the quarter is worth how much again? That's right, 25 cents. 25 and 5 equals 30. 30, 40, 50 plus 3. And how much money do you have? That's right, 53 cents. So you need to get used to seeing money written with the cent sign and the dollar sign with the decimal. Good. Your next problem, number 6. I'm going to let you get started. We have 1 quarter, 1 nickel, 4 dimes this time, and 6 pennies. So go ahead, start counting the money. Now let's see if we can come up with the same answer. Shout out your answer, boys and girls. What did you come up with? Ah, that is correct. 76 cents. Ah, here we go. So we did problem number 1 and problem number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. These same problems are with the memory game. So you will see the memory game with these same exact problems to practice counting your money. And we use at the store, use real money. Never are you going to go to the store and they'll hand you a worksheet to count the money. You're going to use real money. So that's what you need to do while you're working on counting money through this lesson. Now we have Kelly. Kelly has 5 nickels and 9 pennies. Does she have enough money to buy a pencil if the pencil is worth 50 cents? So the first thing you need to do is how much money does she have? And then second, does she have enough money? And you're going to show your work for both problems. If you cannot get onto Nearpod, then you need to pause it so you can answer these questions. Yes, make sure when you go on to Zearn or Mathseeds, Prodigy, Freckle, you practice counting money and also practice counting your parents' change. And how do you feel about it? Counting money is fun. You get to skip count. Great job, boys and girls. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.